Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 5th, 2025, and we're dissecting the USDJPY pair, combining a news overview with detailed chart analysis to identify potential trading opportunities. Recent news indicates that the USDJPY is experiencing selling pressure, slipping below the 149.00 level, so let's examine if this is a true reversal or a temporary dip. Analysts at UB Group suggest a trading range of 148.80 to 150.70, so we will see if that holds up with our chart data. Also, there is growing speculation about the Bank of Japan raising interest rates, further impacting the yen's strength. We'll correlate these events with price action on the charts. Now, let's switch over to the one-day chart to gain a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the recent candles trending downwards, indicating a bearish momentum after some consolidation. We'll need to watch key support levels, particularly the 148.00 level, which has been mentioned as a possible target from FexStreet's news analysis. If the price breaks below this support, we could see further downside pressure in the short term. Looking back further to November of 2024, there is a support level around 146.6. Now let's narrow in on a recent range of candles from February 15th, 2024 to today, March 5th, 2025, to see the current trend more clearly. We can see a clear downward trend forming as reported. Keep an eye on 148, as it appears to be a strong area of support, but 146 may be tested as well. If the price fails to move above 149.70, we could see more momentum downward, as some analysts expect. Now, let's examine the one-hour chart for a closer look at recent price action. On the one-hour chart, we can identify some short-term support and resistance levels. There's immediate resistance around 149.40, coinciding with the levels mentioned in the news. If the price breaks above this, we might see a move towards the 149.70 level. Breaching that could lead to a retest of 150.00. The yen's fate rests on Friday's inflation report, and growing evidence shows that inflation pressures are mounting. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get a very detailed view of what's been happening. The 15-minute chart shows increased volatility and choppy price action, making it difficult to predict the immediate direction. As UB said, the outlook is unclear. Keep an eye on volume for confirmations of potential breakouts or breakdowns. Right now, the price action is hovering around the 149.25 level. To recap, key price levels to watch are the 148.00 as a support and 150.00 as resistance. The yen's strength is largely tied to the Bank of Japan's policies. Currently, the bearish trend seems more probable given the selling pressure and the news pointing towards it. However, if the USDJPY breaks 150.00, a bullish scenario could materialize. Keep an eye on the news and economic releases, especially U.S. data and statements from the Fed and BoJ, as they may influence the direction of the USDJPY. We need to be ready to act on either a break above resistance or a breakdown of support.